The issue of the low turnout, it is even based on the past polling, whatever that have been happening, like the presidential, parliamental, and then also the mayorship. Now, people are saying whenever they vote, they don't give out the leadership to those people they've voted. So it is a challenge to them, and it is turning them down. They are not ready to come back and vote.
What should be done?
We need to talk to the Electoral Commission and also the government in power, because now the leaders, some are saying that the vote is being taken by force. So we need to calm down as human beings and see what we can do to our country, because we need to have the love of our country, because if at all we don't have that love of our country, there will not be peace in Uganda.